today I'm going to read about retarded people in drive-thru lines. Sorry, my cold medicine is making me all awkward. But yeah, so that's why I sound like I'm from like the north, I guess, because they're all like nasally and stuff. Anyways, I'm going down a rabbit trail that I should not be going. Anyways, so today I'm going to talk about dumb people and drive-thru lines. Especially if it's like McDonald's. Okay, yeah, like I noticed this in McDonald's. Like they'll sit there. There's those people that'll like sit there in the drive-thru line talking to the person on the little like radio bobber thing for like 10 minutes trying to get their order right. And it's like either they're not talking loud enough, the person can't speak English. McDonald's people can't speak English very well most of the time. So they're like yelling at the person like, I want french fries! Oh, you want the milkshake? No, I want french fries! Like, that's how it goes. But like the stupid people, if they get the order wrong, then they're like, actually, it's a 5-star restaurant, like, I want more sauce! You want more sauce? Okay, I get more sauce. And then they come back and you're like, no, not that sauce, the other sauce. Like, stop being picky. You are going through a drive-thru line in a fast food restaurant. You are making this a slow food restaurant. Like, I could, get better service at, Red Lobster faster than you could get your dumb Happy Meal. Oh my God, it's really not that hard. Say, oh, I want a number 4 with extra cheese and ketchup. Oh, and fries and a Dr. Pepper. And then they say, oh, okay, that's how much money it is. And then drive to the next window. Like, how hard is that? I'm not going to be sitting there this isn't cooked medium rare. This isn't, my french fries are too crunchy. Or there's not enough salt on my burger. Like, stop being picky, okay? It's a fast food restaurant. You're supposed to get your fucking food and leave. That's what you're supposed to do, okay? Like, you're not supposed to be like, oh, I'm gonna act like it's a 5-star restaurant. No, it's McDonald's or some other fast, cheap restaurant that doesn't require a lot of thinking. You just push a button and then they bring you food. That's what it's supposed to do. You're not supposed to sit there and be waited on. That's what the drive-thru is for. The drive-thru is for driving through, grabbing food, and going. Not for being picky and being slow. I was late for a rehearsal the other day because a stupid, dumbass person didn't know that, okay, it's 11 o'clock, and they said, oh, they're serving lunch at 11 o'clock, but they haven't started making the food yet, so they couldn't decide on what breakfast to get. There's 4 options for McDonald's at breakfast. Pick 1, 2, 3, or 4. And, coffee, or orange juice, or milk. It's not that hard to order breakfast in the morning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And I was late because they were being picky about it. And then they asked for a milkshake, which, I have no problem with milkshakes. I order milkshakes in the morning at McDonald's. But they were like, I want the special one. I want strawberry. Well, we don't have strawberry. We'll settle for, vanilla and be fine with it. Most of the time, their strawberry shakes are vanilla with pink food coloring in it. That's pretty much what their strawberry milkshakes are. They don't even taste like strawberry. It tastes like red food dye with vanilla. So calm the fuck down. Oh my God, they're so annoying. I just don't like these people because they're I'm a picky eater. When it comes to drive-thrus, I only go to fast food restaurants when I'm I want food now, and I'm I'm just eating food like that. That's when I go to fast food restaurants, especially if I'm drive-thru, oh no, wait a minute, I gotta go get breakfast. And I go drive-thru the drive-thru line. It's supposed to take me maybe 5 minutes tops to get food at a fast food drive-thru line, depending on how long the line is, or how picky the person in front of me is. It's just you're supposed to just drive in, order your food, pay the dumbass person, and then they're gonna hand you your food, and then drive away. Stop being picky. It's a fast food restaurant. Half your stuff is cold anyways. And it made 2 days prior. Stop being picky. It's your fault for going to the the drive-thru. If you want to be picky, stand in line on the inside of the freaking lobby. Okay? Jesus. Huh? Did you say that?